Welcome to our saffron fields. Today, I'll show you exactly how saffron is made, from delicate crocus flowers to the
Fresh stigmas are fragile. Drying preserves flavor, color, and aroma.
Precision drying locks in saffron's signature aroma, preserving its quality for global markets.
Every batch is checked for color strength, aroma, and purity before leaving the facility. And that's how saffron is made, from a single crocus flower to the world's most treasured spice. From our hands to your kitchen.